Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to walk you through the steps on how to reschedule or delay an auto ship through the Chewy app. So we're going to launch Chewy. And from the home page, what we want to do is go down here towards the bottom and click on where it says auto ship. And from the auto ship page, we're going to select the auto shipment that we want to reschedule or delay. So for me, it's going to be auto ship 1. So I'm going to click on where it says manage auto ship. And we have some different options here. So right at the top, you can reschedule when your next order will be shipped out. So you can do that by clicking on this and then selecting the date on the calendar that you want to get your next auto shipment. Another thing you can do is change the frequency. So right now I'm at about every 3 months, but I can change this and select whatever frequency I want in this area. Continuing to work our way down, you can see you have the option to completely skip your next auto ship. So for me, the next auto ship is on April 28th, so it wouldn't send it out on that date, and then it would reset. So 12 weeks after that point is when I would get the next auto shipment. Continuing to scroll down to where the products are listed, perhaps you want some of these products to ship in your next auto shipment, but not others. If you want to do this, you can click on where it says skip once for any particular product, and it won't show up in your next auto shipment. So I hope this video was helpful, showing you where you can manage your auto ship and reschedule or delay an auto shipment. There's a lot of different options and customization that you can do in this area to get it exactly how you want it to show up. So I appreciate you guys stopping by. Consider subscribing to the YouTube channel, and I'll see you back here next time.